If you have a property with a complex layout or a challenging space to document, such as an open concept area where the kitchen and living room are connected, you can start like this. LiDAR auto scan will capture the main elements of the room, including the furniture and appliances if you want. Once the room is complete, stop the scan. If the miniature appears green, it's fine. If you see dotted lines, they're not a problem. You can choose to save the scan with or without the recorded video. If necessary, you can adjust the walls, corners, and other room details afterward. And just like that, we've created the kitchen. Now, we can move on and scan the rest of the open space. Take your time and make sure you capture the entire area. If there's a staircase like this, don't worry. Continue with the scanning process, and we'll show you how to edit it afterward. Once again, the miniature is green, so we can save the scan. Now, it's time to assemble the two scanned rooms into the single open space we want to create. To create the opening, select the kitchen wall, tap Add Corner from the bottom menu twice, and then delete the wall section between the two new corners. Now, we adjust the next wall by moving the corner back into position. You can also resize the staircase simply by dragging it with your fingertips. Remember, you can move or reposition any object at any time if needed. Now, let's finish the room. Add another corner here, pull this section of the wall outward, and in the remaining space, insert a filler room to create the small closet. Complete with its door. And that's it. Your open concept floor plan is complete.